After waving goodbye to Guanajuato and the Cervantino festival, we decided to rent a car and drive to Morelia in Michoacán.
Everybody in Mexico knows el baile de los viejitos, the old people's dance, which has its origins in this region. If you have a sweet tooth, as we do, you should go to the sweets market in the center of Morelia for typical treats.
From the capital, we drove to a tiny village famous for its clay Catrinas. It's called Capula. Many people misinterpret the skeleton lady, I think. My mother actually hates her. What was meant to be a social criticism in its original has become a symbol of equality and unity.
You'll find a big diversity of street food in Michoacán, especially around the holiday season of Día de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead. Try corundas, uchepos, tlacoyos, gorditas de nata. Todo buenísimo.
Family in Mexico who hates music. And my family's fine with that. But me?
Be back by lunch, mijo.
Love you, mama. I am not like the rest of my
To be
family.
completely honest with you, we went to Michoacán for Día de los Muertos because of the animation Coco by Disney and Pixar. The village where Miguel, the main character, lives was inspired by Santa Fe de la Laguna, a tiny village inhabited by the Purépechas people. Michoacán is super well known for having the most colorful celebrations. The top tourist attractions are the village Pátzcuaro and the cemetery on the island of Janitzio. Both become extremely overcrowded, but we might have a tip to avoid the masses. Go early in the morning and check the preparations in the villages on the other side of the lake instead. The local Purépecha people are really welcoming, and you'll get a chance to help with the decorations as well.
Preparing an ofrenda or altar at home is very important. You'll see an orange flower called cempasúchil all over. Its smell is supposed to lead the deceased souls back to their families. These altares are usually covered in food and things the beloved soul used to like. Every item has a special meaning as well.
In Santa Fe de la Laguna, people open their homes to anybody who wants to greet the deceased ones, and locals come around with baskets of food to pay their respect. We tend to associate the Mexican Day of the Dead with colorful parties, a lot of noise, dancing, and while you actually may find musicians in the cemeteries, these days are dedicated to the family. I saw relatives who gather around the graves and spend the whole night together in quiet commemoration. What do you think?
I don't know. I feel like there's something missing.
Yeah, I feel the same, but I don't know what.
What about if we make an ofrenda?
You mean an altar? Here?
Yes.
Why not? Let's go.